Okay, what we have here is a new truck wheel assembly for our domes, because our domes are currently using these garage door wheels, which are actually, this is actually a decent one, but they're failing. It's a bad one, but they are failing. So Dr. Sturman has come up with a new truck wheel assembly. I'm going to put one together here real quick. The old system used 24 of these old garage door wheel truck wheels for the dome rotation. They're being replaced by 12 of this new system. Much heavy duty and free floating swing arm style. This will be mounted onto the dome beam instead of using 3 layers of plywood. I'll have to raise up the dome hydraulically, and I can change out one quadrant, which will be 3 pulling away and throwing away out 6 wheels, replacing them with 3 of these. These have their own spring system on the new system. These will be readjusted in place. We'll be using a magnetic drill after locating the 2 mounting holes for location. One moment here. Okay, so what we have here are the pivot arms put inside the system here, and the system will pivot with the dome self-centering. Almost free floating. Okay. Twelve of these truck wheels will replace 24. Well done. Thank you, Laszlo.